Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom to the sweetest, almost 7-month-old baby girl. I live in Massachusetts with my husband and our daughter, of course, and our little Morky princess, who, believe it or not, I guess 7 is the number for today's video, is going to be 7 years old this November. So if you are new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. When you come to my channel, you can expect cleaning videos, motivation, cooking recipes, baking recipes, all things cozy and comforting, because I am the biggest homebody, and to me, having a home that I clean and I take care of and I'm able to cook and bake and share these memories with my family and like a good meal or sweet treats, like that is everything to me. There's nothing that makes me happier. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please stick around. Leave a comment down below how you came across my channel. And I'm just so excited that you're here today. Okay, so full transparency. I actually do not love cleaning the bathroom. I don't love the task of cleaning the bathroom. I think it's more mind over matter, because once I get started, even when I was filming this video, I already felt so much better. There's a lot that goes into cleaning the bathroom, and I think it's definitely a tedious, homemaking chore, but it makes you feel so good afterwards. And that really goes for any part of your home, but especially the bathroom. I feel like it doesn't take long for certain things like dust, dirt, hair, all like unknown particles to accumulate. But if you are watching this with me, whether you're just kind of watching and following along today, or if there's something that you need to tackle, even if it's not the bathroom, maybe it's just a load of laundry, tackle that with me, or let's get the dishes done together. Pick one thing to get done today, because it is going to make you feel so much better. I was recently watching a video and somebody had said that, taking care of your space is a form of self-care. And that saying really resonates with me, because I have always been somebody that has liked to take care of my things and maintain a clean space. It's natural and normal for things to pile up, especially being a mom. And that's something that I'm learning, but I also want to let you know that it's okay. Not everything has to be done at the same time. And I honestly think that's part of the point of life, right? Imagine if we cleaned everything and it was all done and there's nothing to do, then we'd honestly be bored. I know that sounds so funny to say, but I feel like these things, they really make you appreciate the home that you live in or the things that you have, when you take the time to take care of them. Not only are you taking care of the space that you live in, but you are taking care of yourself. I think, hi, Lovey. Do you have something you want to say to the video? Mom life. Okay, so I feel like I've kind of chatted and rambled a little bit, so I'm gonna let you guys just watch and follow along, and I will check back in with you shortly. I did just want to mention that I am using the green container of, I think it's called Scrubby Bubbles or Scrubbing Bubbles. I should actually get up and look at that. But I'm just trying to record this while I'm with my daughter right now. So if you are curious what I am using for the bathroom, the tub, the tile, and the bathtub, let me know. I can look up the exact name for you. I get this at Walmart. I honestly love this stuff. I think it does such a good job. It doesn't smell like harsh chemicals, and it really just breaks down the residue. And when I pour the water over it, it just looks wonderful, just wonderful, like chef's kiss, honestly, if that even makes sense. But another thing I wanted to mention is the hose that I'm using in the shower. I can also link that. I got that off of Amazon and it has been a game changer for cleaning the bathtub, a game changer for, washing our daughter in the tub, and even our dog, our little Morky princess. So another little cleaning tip that I wanted to share with you is, I know sometimes like in this video, I'm doing a really deep clean of the bathroom, but once a week, grab some Clorox wipes, grab your gloves, wipe down your toilet. I don't know where I heard this from or if I made this up myself, but do it like at the end of the day before you're about to go hop in the shower. Because for me, I don't know why, but when I clean like gross areas that I know are just like really germy, I don't know if that sounds like high maintenance. I don't know how that's coming across. Doesn't really matter. But when I clean really germy areas, I need to clean myself afterwards because I just feel like those germs are kind of sticking around and lingering. So that's my tip, is to maintain a clean home is like once a week, or even I have Windex under my bathroom counter and some microfiber cloths that I've been trying to just like, once a week, twice a week, wipe down the mirror if there's any toothpaste, water, whatever that gets on it, and then wipe down the counters as well. Then I feel like later you won't be feeling as overwhelmed if you're kind of just taking these baby steps. And I know sometimes that's not always possible, but if you can find the time, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, it's really, it's worth it and it's gonna make you feel so much better. Another little tip that I wanted to share with you. So on this cabinet space in our bathroom, I'm using this 7th generation disinfecting cleaner. I don't know if it's for all cleaners, but read the back of the label. So I do use this almost like as a multi-surface cleaner. I think that's actually what it's called, but it's also a disinfectant. So I think for this one specifically, if you spray it and leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes, it really absorbs, the product absorbs into, your furniture, and really disinfects that area. So honestly, after I wipe down my toilet with like whatever it is, Clorox wipes, or, whether it's this disinfecting spray and a paper towel, I always at the end will spray this disinfecting spray on it and just let it do its thing, just to really, kind of kill those germs. I feel like another area that we don't often think about is the floor, especially if you use hair products, if you're postpartum like me and you, first of all, just like look at your hair, but bring a brush to it. There's a lot of hair that falls out. So cleaning the floors, I think, is so important. And I always like to go in with a quick little vacuum just to pick up any crumbs and particles. And also for some reason, I don't know why, but this heater collects so much dust and hair. So sometimes I'll but I'll be honest, like the way I'm sitting on the toilet in our bathroom, I'll see that there's so much dust. So I'll just take a paper towel sometimes, or toilet paper, and just like wipe it up. It's just crazy to me. I don't know why that happens in that area. But anyway, I'm just using the Swiffer Wet Jet for a quick clean. Normally I like to use like my mop set. I forget the name of it, but it's the one that everybody I feel like has the cedar mop, sorry. But sometimes it's a lot to take out from the basement and like get the pine sol and everything. So for the sake of today's video and the bathroom, I did a quick clean with the Swiffer. But that's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being here today. I'm so excited to continue on with this journey. And yeah, I can't wait to just learn more about you guys. So definitely subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.